I pozdrav svima ljudi, ovdje Elektros. Danas kao što vidite radimo nove strane na mom kanalu, dakle radimo top 5 najboljih bosanskih PvP-era. Uglavnom u ovom serijalu se radi, znači biramo 5 igrača od kojih su najgori ka najboljih, mislim ono, valjda znate na što mislim, tako da, naravno bit će najboljih srpskih PvP-era i hrvatskih. I posle ide naravno top 5 najboljih balkanskih PvP-era, inače da ne bi bilo komentara zašto si birao ovog, zašto si onog. Dakle, ovo je samo moje mišljenje, tako da, hajde da krenemo.
I'm on my way to an island and I'm popping shit at the pilot. Niggas be broken, be solving, but still talking shit like they violent. They say that they honest, how money these niggas gon' say that they got it. Getting out with the kid is success and these niggas gon' blame it on Colin. They don't wanna see you win, they don't wanna see the race. You don't wanna see a bitch caught up in the stars like she out of space. Mention at the condo at the mansion and I'm running out of space. Tell your homie keep on coming out his mouth and sending something around his way. Niggas barely getting lawyer money, better get some sick soy money. Running around like you Superman, don't be selfish, get your mom insurance money. Woo! Cause I'm the one to put it on your money. I'm the one to make it happen to you niggas. What you fucking ran the door for me? Hop in the Raven, I bought it, it's Liddy again. Fly out a bit from the tropic and Liddy again. All of my partners is poppin', you know that we Liddy again. All of the fours on college, you know that we Liddy again. They don't wanna see the squad, they don't wanna see the rain. They don't wanna see a bitch up in the stars like she going out of space. Liddy again, I got it, we Liddy again. Liddy again, I got it, we did it, we Liddy again. Feature money out the safe, went and bought a Ray, brought it on college. Niggas talking like they want it when we in the city, they don't want problems. Niggas say they gon' rob us, but nigga we coming for welfare. I shoot a bullet when I pull it, how you catch a bullet like an NFL player? Should've known it was Liddy when bitches don't lying on my dick. Lie on they pussy like I hit, can't even be a side bitch. I'm in Nas, chains and you ain't even looking like you a file. Bro, bitches tryna do it for Twitter when they used to do it for viral. 100 man of the hour, I'm the nigga with the airtime. Rolls Royce Ray, put your bitch up in the stars like she in the airline. Niggas talk about my hairline, I laugh about it, I be feeling them. See we be both making M's, they be making memes, I be making millions. I just counted up a Quinn Miller, a QM that's a $250,000. They don't wanna see Jay drop 6 flying private when he go to Philly. Funny money, yeah I know it's silly, but your whole feel me when I pull up and I got a pour hole for her. I promise she gon' know it's Liddy, motherfucker. Yeah. Hop in the Raven, I bought it, it's Liddy again. Fly out a bit from the tropic and Liddy again. All of my partners is poppin', you know that we Liddy again. All of the fours on college, you know that we Liddy again. They don't wanna see the squad, they don't wanna see the rain. They don't wanna see a bitch up in the stars like she going out of space. Liddy again, I got it, we Liddy again. Liddy again, I got it, we did it, we Liddy again. All of my niggas is way up, these niggas is haters, I know that they haters. I score your bitch like a layup, I make a meal like a layup. I pop a bill just to stay up, I said the lean just to slow it up. I'm with my team and we going up. All of these foreigns, they know us. Whip it like the coca when we mix the soda up. Perfect timing and we blowing up. Fuck it, I'ma like the rollie up. Shorty fucking for Chanel, I ain't tripping, that's a coconut. Put the ride to the motor bus, set the paper full of sofa. Lay on that paper, I am not slacking, I stay on that paper. I feel like it's a restraining order on that money, cause y'all stay away from that paper. I know some niggas that used to be ballin', but now they all feeling the way by this paper. I be spending hundred after hundred, they thought I was making this paper. Fucking it good, I be raping this paper. Shit, I might as well get married to money. I married Nicki, still married to money. She rich as Mariah, I carry the money. And fuck a deposit, I bury the money. I bury the money and hang out my pocket, embarrassing money. I act like I ain't used to having this money. Oh! Hop in the Raven, I bought it, it's Liddy again. Fly out a bit from the tropic and Liddy again. All of my partners is poppin', you know that we Liddy again. All of the fours on college, you know that we Liddy again. They don't wanna see the squad, they don't wanna see the rain. They don't wanna see a bitch up in the stars like she going out of space. Liddy again, Liddy.
Parabellum Beats. Purchase your tracks today.
rock is designer, and all I smoke is the fire. Yo, RK, yeah, we chasing bandos, man. Hey,
all I rock is designer, all I smoke is the fire. True religion attire, all I rock is designer, all I rock is designer, all I smoke is the fire. True religion attire.